Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, which is Friday the 25th of April, we are talking about very cheap L'Oreal fancy lotions and potions over at Walgreens and a free bag of cat food over at Walmart, which is absolutely fantastic. So the first store that we're going to dive into is Walgreens, and we are looking again at these lotions or skincare. It's called collagen. So I know that last week some of you got the deal, some of you didn't, and then those of you that didn't, you were like, "Ugh." And I get it because I would want this too. A lot of us love fancy dancy skincare, myself included, top of the list. I love this stuff. So this morning, IBOTTA, with their very good sense of humor, put the rebate back, and it's actually attaching to the L'Oreal collagen, and it's at, if you look at the very bottom, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and CVS, so the three big pharmacies. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I did grab the one that I bought last week and scanned it right away, and guess what? This rebate is attaching. Now, I'm going to let you guys know something really weird. We had a $5 digital, and I only did this last week on my card, but my husband's card had this $5 digital. The coupon has since vanished. Don't know what the end date for this was because I didn't photograph, the second part of the coupon. So I don't know. I mean, I could call customer service and complain to possibly get my way. And I know there's a $6 coupon, but that's only working with Revitalift. So we're kind of at a disadvantage. However, if you might have register rewards that you want to throw into the mix, that's a way around this. Currently have two register rewards that are both expiring on Sunday. We have a $3 off and a $4 off. So obviously one of them will scan, no problems, no issues. The second one, I might have problems. So what I will do is grab a very small Easter filler, like something for 50 cents, something very, very cheap. So in store, this is how I would do it. Grabbing one of the L'Oreal collagens for $11.99. And grab an Easter filler for 15 cents or 50 cents for a total of $12.49. Use the $3 and the $4 register rewards. That's $7 off. So your total here is $5.49. If you wish to use $5 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And then photograph your receipt for $5 back from IBOTTA. This is a smart deal if you have register rewards and you're like, hey, I just want to roll them into something else. Obviously, this is a good way to do it. And I will also let you guys know if you still have your $5 L'Oreal coupon, let me know what the end date is because I cannot find it. And also double, triple check that IBOTTA rebate is attaching to said product and it's still there. Be super smart. If you want to do this deal alternatively curbside, it's $11.99 for this product. So you're ordering this through the Walgreens app, put it in a cart, use the code WAG10 for an extra $1.20 off. So the total here is $11.44. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it, pay $1.44. When you go to the store, ask the cashier in a very nice way if they can process it through a regular register, not a handheld, so you can get your receipt for IBOTTA. $5 back from IBOTTA, just a deal using straight Walgreens cash with the code WAG10 for an additional $1.20 savings. Now, IBOTTA had $3 rebates for CoverGirl Face. It was there, it vanished, it came back, and then it's on the time ticker of death again. That $3 was not working with any of the clearance, just to point that out. And sorry, guys, I don't know why they do that sort of stuff. We do have a $3 digital that would make it like $1.49 for some of this stuff or $1.79, which is still a very reasonable price for foundations, concealers, these good products. Along with, I keep talking about IBOTTA, they have the Batiste dry shampoo rebate. Load it right away, guys, because we have a deal that's starting on Sunday with dry shampoo over at Walgreens, and you don't want to miss the $2.50 rebate. Just load it, and we'll talk about this one tomorrow. The next store that we're at is Walmart, and we are going to be doing this deal at Walmart because it is so much cheaper than any other store. Currently, Fetch Rewards has 6,000 points back on the Iams Healthy Weight Dry Cat Food And it doesn't specify the size of the bag or the store, which is really nice. At least my rebate doesn't. But 6,000 points back, that's like $6, and you can do this up to 3 times. Big shout out and thank you to Instagrammer Spend Less with Sarah. I'll link her page if you wish to follow her. She does a lot of Walmart, and I know I don't do a lot of Walmart, but she's the Walmart lady, so go and follow her. Very nice lady too. So the smaller bag of this healthy weight cat food is $9.88. There's a $5 printable on that site, exactly how she has it typed out, the IMS/cat-5, that one. So you're going to print this out and you have to verify your email and phone number and a whole bunch of hoops. Anyhow, you're going to pay $4.88, making this free plus a $1.12 moneymaker. Like, how lovely is that? Any way you slice it or dice it, try and make that cat food deal, even if you want to do it for a donation. And if you are all about skincare, go to Walgreens and make that other deal happen. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.